Hey everybody, happy Monday to you all. It's time for our chart of the week and second one of 2020. And this one we're going to bring you big semiconductor chip maker Intel. INTC is the symbol. Let's go ahead and mark this chart up as we go along here. They came up with some really powerful earnings last week, and you can see from the chart here that the stock is really taking a nice move up. But let's take a look at the chart here. So from the bottom left here in August, stock was mid 40s. It's made a really nice series of, you can see higher highs and higher lows, pretty much on that trend line there. And once it crossed that 20-day moving average, we can see that, which is the dotted line. It's pretty much acted as good support, especially after it pulled back in the early part of January, went sideways, consolidated for a little bit, but it really held that 20-day moving average very nicely. And then leading up into earnings. Earnings came out Thursday night, and you can see that big moonshot the stock made on Friday last week, which is the 24th. The stock gapped up, pulled back a little bit on Monday. But look at this, right back to the top of the Bollinger Band. Now, we don't expect the stock to stay above the Bollinger Band. In fact, it doesn't stay above there for very long anyway. But here's the deal. We got this big, huge gap up here. And if we come back and turn back around on Tuesday, you'll receive this on Wednesday. If we come back around and made a higher high and a higher low on Tuesday and follow through on Wednesday, this stock has got some room to move up towards the $70 area. It was really impressive on Friday. It was this heavy volume, which is the biggest volume it's seen in months. You can see even back to October when the stock beat earnings again. The stock gapped up nicely and held the gap. Still haven't filled that gap, which is around 51 and change. But stock gapped up on higher volume. The volume on Friday was even bigger than that. We have a expanding opening bullish cloud over here too. And notice that money flow has been bullish since October for the most part. We had a little bit of a dip into the bearish area in December, but for the most part is bullish. And we have crossovers here on the bullish crossovers on the MACD. So where do we think Intel is going to be headed here? We think that this stock can come back around up here, maybe make a slight sideways move, and then start making its way up into that $70 real slowly, and over the next couple of months, probably in low to mid 70s. They gave great guidance, beat the earnings by country mile, and all good things. We think we see the institutions starting to come in, especially with this big volume that we had last Friday. Major indicator for that. So that's Intel. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time.